We were talking about like what crazy foods we're gonna eat. It's almost like, what do you think they?
Sure they do. They have to. If you're gonna have a group of people see, but like then maybe brunch on Wednesday.
We take some shots.
Right by myself.
All right, show some selfies.
I can't go to my normal gas station because you put.
Yourself, like you should do mirror selfie.
Yeah, take a whole.
Is it a polyp?
I didn't even know what a hemorrhoid was, but I had to look it up because we used preparation
Because
H.
you have
Apparently,
one.
it also
And tell us about your finding.
Oh. Well, I haven't seen it in a really long time.
I feel you on that too.
Just to keep this PG-13.
No, not here.
A hymen is an actual body part.
Yes.
Yeah, fresh and tight.
That little
Yeah,
flap of skin.
it's like what would you compare it to? It's like
It's like the
Like
skin
a
on the
celebrity.
Yeah, exactly. And usually that happens when it's done.
yes.
Or
well,
you get fingered too aggressively at a park.
not to be too specific, but you know.
yeah,
Woof.
a friend. So, but I was like maybe 7.
They'll love that. They will love that. Okay,
Oh,
so-
they're gonna love that. They're gonna be like,
I was going to deliver it a little funnier,
Were
but
you
you
like
guessing wasn't going to state, so you could call it in college. So yeah, I was pursuing really spoken. Let me call my supervisor.
there you go.
Oh, I know a lot about protecting. Hey, which brings us to Erin.
Oh my gosh, Erin has the
Pretty much every industry except porn, and I considered it once in a brief moment.
When?
Not for me doing porn. No, a friend of mine.
Just the flap.
I was just gonna.
That one night at that Mexican restaurant.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'll
like,
go
we
continue.
like that
pinned
night.
you up against the wall.
Yeah.
And I was like,
Ooh.
you're a fucking crazy bitch, aren't you? And you're like, it was dark.
Yeah.
Oh
my
good.
God.
Good exercise.
Did I?
I don't know where you guys were, but oh,
Oh,
yeah.
Christian with a K and a Z.
What?
My Canadian.
What?
He's not heavy. He's her brother. Don't say that.
Go home, or my dad called me 2 days later. He's like, "What the hell did you tell your mom?" In the house, they cleaned the fridge. What? He's like,
If he down for that, girl,
"Listen, right?
you
Right.
better marry that ass.
I know, I did."
I feel you, girl.
I did. No, he makes me better. I like to say that every day, like he kind of like centers me.
This is the button to retract.
Yeah.
You like electrocuted.
The pet store lady was like, don't buy that. The dog will bite through it. And he'll be gone. Don't worry.
So this is the
I was gonna
thing.
say it was perfect.
Exactly. Like, oh my God, you'll have to cheat day. I want you to break your dick off, and then the guy responds.
When and where?
The guy goes, I don't know what that means, but I'm dead.